Hello guys, today what is the story of those people who are not interested in the body of a loser 2 million years ago, and the rest of the married couples of the married couples are not the same as their own family. Let's go. What is going on? What is that sign over there? And what is the reason the married couple?
Ito siya, Nay. Hello po, tita. Magjojowa ka na nga lang. Tignan mo pa. Hindi pala tayo
The couple of people lived for years and years ago in the past few years. Okay.
Di ba may lundong muna?
So I think this is a...
Pilit mo na kayo ni Kuya. Talaga na to.
Oh my god. I'm just gonna go to school. I'm just going to school and this is Hey, bro.
Magdalaga pa. Zoe. Dito muna sa Melan.
Let's go again and read it. Bro, I did not make this. Literally the story of those people who are not interested in the body of Medusa with 2 million years ago. The rest of the married couples of the married couple are not the same as their own family. And don't forget this as fast as we can. And what is the reason of the married couple? The couple of people have been there for years and years ago, in the past few years ago.